similar examples from lots of fields. We had a project management group in a Six Sigma project office recently tell me that one thing they hated about being black belts was having to keep the project management data up to date. They all agreed that if the data is up to date, they can make good decisions. They just hated doing it. So the solution is the data keeps itself up to date. And after about half an hour of drawing cute little cartoons of ones and zeros, typing ones and zeros, we went and got some people who actually understood the system. That's one big clue. You really need some people who understand how the current system does work, and found out that their system had plenty of capability for what's called meta tagging, in other words, telling the data where to go. Just nobody had ever used it for the project management system. So now if people take a trip to interview a customer, in addition to the accounting department knowing who to charge for the trip, the project management system knows that the trip was taken. And keeping the data up to date went from the most hated thing for the black belts to do down to number 9. It was so far down the Pareto chart you couldn't even see the bar anymore. So ideal final result. You need to think about your problem, and here's homework. What is the ideal final result for your primary service or your primary product? In other words, how could your system take care of itself without everything you do? You're going to use the ideal final result 3 ways. One way is psychological, to free you from the constraints. If you spend all day every day worrying about how to lower the cost of your system, or you spend all day every day trying to